Teresa with Revolutionary Green, and I've been a part of this fair since roughly 2008, and I went independently in 2009 to really up the greening efforts for this event. To date, we're at 94% diversion from landfill, and we have seen it progress from 38%, 74% to 90%. We didn't get to 90% diversion from landfill overnight. It's really been a journey, and with all the proper partners involved in this journey has truly made this a very special event.
One of the things that we're offering here at the fair, we have a booth here for the public to provide information. We have a trivia wheel. Folks can come by, spin the wheel, and learn a little bit about the materials that we collect on a normal basis.
Can you name a precious metal that is in electronics?
I'm guessing platinum, and
We're trying to educate the public on how to go about responsibly recycling certain materials. An event like this, it's really important to make sure everybody's on the same page as far as waste diversion, purchasing appropriate products that can be either recycled or composted, trying to send as little as possible to the landfill.
Marin Sanitary Service has been a partner with the Marin County Fair for many, many years, and we've been partnering with Revolutionary Green to make sure that the fair is actually the greenest event, hopefully on the planet. That's our ultimate goal. Right now we have about 94% diversion of all materials from the landfill. Our role as the hauler is to collect the materials. So we have a bunch of source-separated containers. We have containers that are specifically for landfill. We've paired them up with dedicated boxes for cardboard, dedicated boxes for bottles and cans, and dedicated boxes for organic material. And then inside the fair, there are sorting stations where the public, with guidance of staff, help separate the materials into these containers. And then those bags come back to these big boxes that are around us.
I'm a grad student at the University of San Francisco under the Environmental Management Program. I'm graduating this December 2016, and I'm looking to pursue a career in waste management because I think waste is the #1 problem to climate change. Waste ends up everywhere. It ends up in our air, our water, our land, and it will eventually end up in our bodies, affecting human and ecological and animal health.
Is what we're finding out from events is that food vendors do produce a lot of waste, believe it or not. And in order to get to that 90% to the zero waste, we really have to work with the vendors to make sure that they are source separating their materials as well as the public is too. At this event in particular, it's mandated that all the food vendors use compostable food serviceware items, and there's 34 of them. Funnel cake, for example, the funnel cake vendor uses a paper plate, which then they put the funnel cake on, and they use a compostable fork. And everyone here is doing that and doing their part so that we can ensure that what's going into the composting stream does not contaminate it. So we don't want the plastic forks or the plastic cups or anything of that nature. We want to make sure that they're using paper and BPI certified items.